How to create a real Metatrader 4 account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can create real Metatrader 4 account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you must have the application Metatrader 4. If not, install it from Google Play Store. Once you have the application, all you have to do is open up the application, and as you open the application, you will land on this interface that says open an account. But if in case you don't get this, what you have to do is, if you're on this page, tap on the hamburger icon from the top left corner and tap on login or existing account or open a demo account. Tap on get started. Once you're on this page, tap on the plus icon. Once you're on this page, tap on the plus icon from the top left corner, and from here tap on open a demo account. After that, you have to choose the broker. It says Meta Quotes Demo, so you can choose that. Now, once you land on this page, you have to enter your personal information and your account information. So first of all, you have to enter your name. Under that, you have to provide your phone number. And under that, you have to enter your email address. Now under that, there is an account information that says, first of all, account type. Tap on it and then choose your account type. And under that, you have to choose the leverage. So according to your preferences, you can choose. And under that, you have to choose the amount that you would like to deposit. Once you're done with that, now all you have to do is tap on create account. Here it says name must be at long 6 character. So make sure you have name that is at least 6 character. Once you're done with that, tap on create account, and now you have an account created. After that, tap on done. And that's how you create an account on Metatrader 4. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.